Alright guys, welcome back. Today we've got a very special unboxing. I actually managed to score one of the Lightning Collection, the Turbo Blue Senturion. If you know me, I'm a big Turbo fan. And I hate to say, being as cheap as I am, most everything that I have Lightning Collection is either secondhand or stuff that I've got on discount. I actually paid full price for this one. Not proud of it, but you know, I love Turbo. So we're going to get straight into it. We're going to get this thing unboxed. Fingers crossed. I've seen some horror stories about what folks are finding once they open the new plasticless boxes. So hopefully no damaged parts, nothing messed up in here. But I did find this one at Target. They had quite a few of them. Let's show the box before we... It's a really nice box. It pops. It's got a lot of color, a lot of shine to it. I mean, it's really... I personally don't like it as well as I do the other boxes, the old style. But it's what we're stuck with on these. But, yeah, they actually had several of these when they first came out at Target, and they disappeared within about a week. I was hoping to catch them on sale. Never happened, so I figured this might be my last chance to find one in store, out in the wild. All right. Okay. Let's pull this baby out. Let's see what we got. Like I said, I am really hoping that we don't have any problems with these. Let's see here. Like I said, I am not a fan of the new plastic-free shipping containers, whatever you want to call them. I just don't like it. Trying to see exactly how the best way is to do this without destroying the box. I'm guessing. Alright, let's get this pack out first. Go with that, and then maybe I'll figure that out. Paperwork that goes with it. We'll figure out the rest of it when we get there. Guessing these are the accessories for this pack. As you can see, I can understand why people are having problems from the factory with their stuff getting damaged. I mean, there's nothing to this as far as packing. It's wrapped in a piece of paper and sitting in a little bit of cardboard. That's usually how terrible packaging I get when I order stuff from people online. Bare minimum. So, let's see what page it. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I'm not a fan of this. It's basically just thrown in there. Jeez. But anyways, I'm still happy to get one. Blaster effect. Let's see. Got the sword baton mode. Not 100% sure on that one. Got the extra set of hands. You have the blaster. His whistle. I thought that was really cool. As you can see, it's a very small piece. I've seen a lot of people ask what that is when they receive this figure. And here we go. In badge mode. I guess that's what you call it. But yeah, when you watch the Super Sentai version, you figure out what that whistle is. Chances are, if I hadn't saw it, I probably wouldn't know what that was. These, I'm not quite sure. I'm thinking those are something that goes on the leg. Let's see if we can get this out without destroying the box completely. Alright. It's actually easier than what I thought it was going to be. I currently do not have the 8-inch of the original figures of this. though I do have back figure. I also don't have the double action figure either. Okay, let's see what we have here. The head turn. So far, overall, wow, those joints are really, really stiff on the arms. Actually, those are really, really stiff on the feet too. They're actually, feet are turned the wrong way to pivot. Be careful so we don't break those off. First glance, overall, it's a pretty nice, pretty detailed figure. I'm not real happy. Got some scuffing on the side right there for a brand new figure, which isn't really nice considering the price of these. And for those wondering, regular price at Target was $35. Like I said, man, those arm joints are very tight. Shoulders are fairly loose, nothing out of the ordinary. I've been hearing people say that they have trouble with the legs being loose. Mine are very stiff. Everything's, I guess, as it should be. Like I said, it's very nice. It would have been nice to have a little more gloss as far as polishing or whatever on the light pieces for the shoulders and the chest. But other than that, I mean, it's overall, it's a nice figure. It's got a lot of color to it. It's not bright. I was expecting a lot brighter than that, just to be honest. Overall on this one, all the paint looks good. Really clear on the police decal there. I mean, it's nice and clean. I never realized there were so many problems with the paint applications on these figures until I started seeing people post about them. And that's when I started looking at everything. I'm not very picky myself. Okay. I'm going to have to look at the box for that one. Not 100% sure on that. Still don't know about these pieces. Okay. So we have, I am assuming, with these little pieces on the side, goes on the legs, we have the holster version and the non-holster version. I'm a little slow on the draw here. That is, if I can get them in. There we go. Alright. I've actually not watched any reviews on this figure. Usually I read reviews, watch them, different people's stuff. So, yeah, so that's pretty cool. You can, has different holster attachments. Of course, I knocked that one off. But overall, I'm satisfied with it. I love Blue Senturion. I love the Phantom Ranger. They're two of my favorites. Pros on this, I like the fact that it has the different accessories quite a bit. I mean, it's not a bunch. I mean, Phantom Ranger didn't have a whole lot of stuff. Colors are nice. Paint application is great on this. I mean, it's really well detailed. Cons on this, I don't like packaging. I'm going to stand on that hill. That's my thing. I hate the plastic. Yeah, is it environmentally well? All well and good? Yes. Packaging wise, as somebody that collects, no, hate that. The only other thing, and I think I mentioned this once before, this is a $33 figure. This is a $33 figure. For $33 Hasbro, there should be a bike in here just the same as the Silver Ranger. Alright. Myself, I am lucky enough to have the original bike from back in the day. Do I like it? Yes. Am I missing the windshield for it? Yes, like everyone else. But for the price point of this figure, if it had been an exclusive, I could see a little bit more of the price point. But for it just to be a general release that you can pick up at Target, Amazon, anywhere, this figure should have had a bike. I mean, as I said, Blue Centurion did not have a lot of stuff. I mean, he had his Megazord, a few weapons, like I said, the whistle. I mean, little stuff like that. The bike would have made this figure, and I honestly believe it would have made a much better selling figure. That's my opinion. But if you have anything you would like to comment, if you like the video, give us some likes. Like I said, remember, subscribe to the channel. We're almost at 100. Just want to let you guys know with this video, when we get to 100, I'm going to have a special giveaway. So definitely share this. Tell your buddies. Tell anybody you know. Let them check the channel out. See for themselves. Share these videos.